Hi, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to stop Google Ads campaign. So first, make sure you log into your Google Ads and make sure you are on the right account so that you won't be accidentally deleting a campaign. So from here, on your homepage, look for campaigns. Now, just in case this is not on your homepage, you can go ahead and go to the search bar on the top right here and just go ahead and type campaigns. Now, once you are here, go ahead and click campaigns. And then on the list here, choose the campaign that you want to delete. You can use this checkbox here. And then on this blue menu, go ahead and click edit. And then just click remove. And then make sure you're removing the correct campaign. Once you've confirmed it, then just click confirm. Give it a few seconds to update. And once it's deleted, then it should disappear on this list. And that's it. That's how you stop Google Ads campaign.
If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.